See this question. You cannot separate variable, right? Neither you can consider any other variable v, right? You can see the power of x is 2, the power of y is 2. When the power of each term is same, then this is called homogeneous. What is homogeneous? The power of, yeah, okay. So this is what homogeneous. This is also homogeneous. Why? Because the power of xy, when you combine both, you will get 2. This is 2, this is 2. So this is what? Homogeneous. Okay. But this is not homogeneous. Now this is not homogeneous. Why? Because the power of this is 2, 2, 2, but this term has power 0. Right? So in this case, this is not homogeneous, but when I replace 1, then it becomes homogeneous. Understood? Okay. So whenever differential equation is homogeneous, very important, always put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to. So remember these two things. First, check whether the differential equation is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, then put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay. For example, in this question, so this is homogeneous differential. So what will you do? Replace dy by dx with where y is what? Okay. Other question I want to know. You understood the concept? Or I'm taking different question. This is what? Differential equation in homogeneous, right? You know, if this is homogeneous, replace y with vx and dy by dx with right. Okay. You can see x into x is x square.
Wait, xy dy dx to power that.
Where is power?
Oh, of xy dy. The two still, even though there's a derivative.
No, इसका power नहीं देखेंगे.
That's the power.
Yes, because this is operator.
The x y का उसके सामने
यस
वाला देखना
यस, इसका पावर देखो कितना है, 2, 1 + 1 is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Don't see the power of dy by dx, because dy by dx is a symbol actually. Symbol of what? Derivation symbol. तुम्हें वेरिएबल का पावर देखना है, तो देयर आर टू वेरिएबल्स, एक्स वेरिएबल एंड वाई वेरिएबल, एंड देयर कॉम्बिनेशन आल्सो. ओके, यस. So you can see x square plus v square x square. X take x square common. X square cancel. Okay. When you open the bracket, you will get v square 1 plus v square. V square. Right. Now you can use separable method. How? Put v with dv and x with dx. Right. So in homogeneous, ultimately you will get what? Variable separable method. Right. After separating variable, what do you do? Just do integration, right? Integration of v is what?
square over 2
Integration of 1 by x log x plus c, right? V square can be written as 2 ln x. 2c is 2c, you can write c1 any constant, right? Now put the value of v. What is v? Y is equal to vx. So v will be, okay, 2 ln x plus c. This is your answer. You can go through once. Done? Understood? Okay. Can we move?
Yeah.
Okay. See this question. Two x dy. Okay. See, don't see the power of this term because this is operator. The power of x is 1. This is 1. This is 1. So each term have same power, right? This is what? Homogeneous differential equation, right?
Mhm.
Okay. If this is homogeneous, you have to replace y with vx and dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx, right? So first of all, we have to find where is dy by dx, right? Okay. Divide by dx on both sides. When you divide by dx on both sides, you will get what? Dy by dx. Okay. Now you get what? Dy by dx. And replace dy by dx with this value.
B plus dB dx.
Okay. And replace y with vx.
Yes.
Take x common. On taking x common, x cancel out from both sides. So when you open the bracket, you will get 2b 2x dv over dx 1 plus b. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If 1 plus b minus 2b is what? 1 minus b.
Yeah.
Now use variable separal method. Okay. After separating variable, you do simple integration. You know 1 upon this is what? Log
Uh,
upon minus 1. Why? Because coefficient of v is negative. Log x plus c. Okay, so you can write minus log half log x plus c. Okay.
mhm. Yeah.
Okay. So when you take left hand side becomes 0 1 by 2 log x plus log 1 minus b plus c, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Multiply 2 on both sides, right? By log property, this is what? 1 minus b square plus c by log property because 2 can we consider here, right?
Yeah.
And between two log there is a plus. If there is plus, then you can multiply, right? So you can write minus c is equal to So you can write e raised to minus c is equal to, right? E raised to minus c is a constant. So you can consider c1. And what is the value of b? Value of b is, this is your answer. Okay. E raised to c is any constant. So you can consider c1. You can go through once or you can write this.
Why did you like simplify it to this form? Like you could have left it at half that.
See, if simplification is possible, then you can do. Otherwise, you can leave here, no problem. Okay. If there is a possibility to simplify, then always do. And my suggestion is to always try to simplify. Okay.
Yeah.
Done. Okay. You have x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Okay.
2xy dy.
Yes. This power is 2, 2, and 2. Right? Don't.
Maybe you gotta separate x squared and dy. Maybe you gotta do x squared dx plus y squared dy, and then do separation.
Uh,
Oh wait.
okay. You try at least one. You will find that it variable separable is not applicable.
Now this is actually do y squared pairs up with dx.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So since this is what homogeneous,
Yeah.
can you try this? Okay. Yesterday I forgot to send you homework. Today I will send variable separable and homogeneous both. Okay. So see, can you try this? Try and send me the solution.
How should I send it to you? Can I tell you?
Uh, you tell. Okay. First of all, divide by dx on both sides, right?
Yeah.
So that you have what? Divide by dx. Okay. Now you have, okay. Now put y is equal to vx and divide by dx is equal to,
X plus v,
okay.
v plus x dv.
Okay. Okay. Do you think how we get this?
Yeah, it's just a derivative of v.
Yeah.
Since you
So
do
by
product.
using product rule. Okay. So x square vx whole square minus 2x into vx v plus x dv by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So x square v square x square minus 2 v x square okay. Take x square common from these three terms. You will get what? Okay. Open the bracket 2v square minus, okay. Right. So 1 minus v square 1 minus v square upon, okay. Now you can separate variable, right? Okay. After this, what you can do? Just do integration. So right up to here.
I'll let that.
Okay. You understand up to here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see. Very important formula. If any function is in denominator and its derivation in numerator, then the integration of this integration will be log f(x). Very important. So the derivation of is what? Minus 2b.
But yeah,
So we multiply with minus, right? And then integrate. This is what? Log x.
log log minus
This
b
is log.
bracket of log.
If log comes on both sides, they take constant log c. Okay. Ln x plus ln, because constant may be anything. This is also a constant. Between two log there is plus. So you can multiply, right, by log property. Okay. So log cancel from both sides. Put the value of v. If you want simplify, then you can do. Otherwise, you can leave here. Multiply x square on both sides. So you will get x square minus y square upon cx square. This is your answer. X cube 1 minus y square cx square. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You can leave here, no problem. Okay, this is your final answer. Homework correct आने सुबह है. Done? Understood? Okay. See, this is dy by dx 2xe minus xyx. See this question. You can see this is homogeneous. Why? Because e का power y upon x. So y का power 1 is x का power 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, right?
Wait, 1 minus.
Okay. So e raised to 0, its power, don't consider this because e raised to 0. Now you can see x raised to 1, y raised to 1, 1. Right? So this is homogeneous. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Since this is what? Homogeneous, put y is equal to
Vx
and
dy is equal to dy is equal to v plus x dt.
you can put any variable. I put here v. You can put ux, tx, doesn't matter. Okay? Because at last you have to replace this. Okay. Take x common. Here x cancel. Okay? V cancel from both sides. Now you do variable separable method, right? Right? After this, e v 2 ln x plus, let's suppose log c. You can take any constant, okay? Mhm. Log x square c. So value of y is dx. This is your answer.
Yeah.
You can go through one.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Y dash is equal to y over x plus cos x y over x. Y1 is equal to 0. See, this question be done by two methods. One by homogeneous and second by variable separable. Reducible to variable separable, right?
Mm-hmm.
Consider y by x is equal to v. This is same thing. Either you replace do into reducible form or homogeneous form, right? So what will you consider? Let's suppose y is equal to what? Vx. Y dash becomes y dash is what? Dy by dx. So here you will write Vx upon x. Vx upon x. X cancel v. V cancel. Now do variable separable, right?
X. Yeah. Whatever. That's good.
Cos x v. 1 over cos x is right. Now
Yeah.
do integration.
Negative cosine.
Right. You can also take not only c, log c also you can take. Cos v is what?
Y over.
Yes. Okay. Now there is one condition. Condition is what? If x is equal to 1, y is 0, right? So we have to find the value of c also. Right here, put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
So it becomes cos 0 and log c, right? Cos 0 is
Yeah.
what? 1. So log c becomes minus 1. If log is minus 1, then you can write e raised to minus 1 is equal to c, right? So your final answer will be c is basically what? 1 over e,
Mm-hmm.
x over e. This is your final answer. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. This is for finding constant.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
See, there are many questions. See, which question? Let's suppose we are solving third one, right?
Mhm.
Otherwise, we do some hard question. ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं, ठीक है। इसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन भी है और होमोजीनियस भी है, राइट।
काले का है 0
यस
तो साइड में 1
यस।
तो ज़्यादा हो जाए तो x sin y cos b
देखो अंदर वाला तो जीरो हो गया ना, तो उसको हम कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे। ओके, अब बाहर वाला का x कंसीडर करो, राइट।
ताले inside bx over x है, so b होगा.
हाँ या, तो यू कैन सी इसका पावर 1 है, इसको हम कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे, 0 हो गया, 0 हो गया, 1 1, तो सबका 1 है ना, तो दिस इज होमोजीनियस। अगर होमोजीनियस है तो वाई जगह क्या रखेंगे, वी एक्स, एंड डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई डी वी ओवर डी एक्स, so right here x, this becomes v, vx cos v, right? Okay, so first of all we have to divide dy by dx, तो यहाँ dy by dx मिलेगा ना, so here you will replace, okay, now see x is common, where is dx, no dx is replaced, right? Open the bracket, when you open the bracket you will get v cos v, okay,
Yeah.
so you can write sin v, sin v over cos v is tan v,
And
now you can do, right?
yeah, one over let's go to
Yeah,
negative cosecant square. That's not that. Cosecant.
this is log sin x, not x, v minus ln x plus ln c, right? So you can write ln c over x. You know the integration of log cot v is log sin v, log cancel.
Yeah.
So you can write x sin v, replace v with, okay. You can go through one. अगर मैं यहाँ कंडीशन देता, ऐसे मैं देखता, तो एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2, वाई इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2, तो सी का वैल्यू क्या होता है, sin पाई बाई 2 इज 1,
Yeah.
तो सी इज 2, your final answer will be, okay, yes, go through one. right?
Mhm.
Understood?
Yeah.
See one more question. Dx on both sides, right? So don't worry about that. Just divide by dx on both sides. Okay. First divide by dx on both sides. You will get like this. Now put y is equal to vx. Right. Take x square common, you will get x only.
Over here, over, we're saying that everything has one.
Power of, yes, here you are getting power of 1. But when you see this is x square y square under root. Under root means what? Its power is 1 basically. Right now, under root. This is an under root.
Yeah, I thought they were being added, so I was
No, no, no. When you take a x square or y square common, it will comes with the root. Right? Now you understood? Use variable separable now. Right? Integrate on both sides. I tell you the integration of a square plus x square is log x plus a square plus x square. Okay, this is important formula. So it becomes what? Log b plus log c. Okay, put the value of b. Okay, this is your answer. Understood? Understood?